Hi, this is Kim from Reality Travel coming to you from Costa Rica, San Jose, Costa Rica. And I'm actually on a tour bus. Let's get some videos.
Walk all together as a group looking around the market. We're gonna do one small stop in a souvenir place. And then we return to the bus. Market was built since 1880. And 5,000 to 6,000 people visit that market every day. The very popular place for the culture of San Jose when the local people go there to buy vegetables, buy meat, buy fruit, buy coffee, souvenirs, and many things inside of the market, okay? Central Market, the next stop of the day. We're gonna walk together, my friends. Please do not separate. Or, yeah, because it's a lot of people today, probably. And we don't want anybody to get lost.
Thanks.
Yes. No.
Hi, we're in the central area in Costa Rica. Beautiful day. Lots of people out. Really nice artwork. Bulletin. Kim from Reality Travel coming to you from Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.